Understanding storm in a teacup. English idioms made easy. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms. Our focus will be on the phrase, storm in a teacup. This idiom is a colorful part of the English language, and understanding it can add flair to your conversation skills. So, let's explore what this phrase means and how you can use it in everyday conversations. Storm in a teacup refers to a situation where someone is making a big deal out of a minor issue. It's like creating a huge storm, something chaotic and powerful, but all within a small, insignificant space like a teacup. This idiom is often used to describe scenarios where there is unnecessary fuss or drama over something that is not very important. The phrase, storm in a teacup, has an interesting history. It's believed to have originated in the 18th century. The concept is that the teacup represents a small, confined space where a storm, typically a symbol of chaos and trouble, is taking place. This vivid imagery helps convey the idea of an overblown reaction to a trivial matter. Let's look at some examples to understand how to use this idiom in context. 1. I think they're making a storm in a teacup over the new policy changes. It's really not that big of a deal. 2. The media often creates a storm in a teacup about celebrity gossip. 3. Our boss created a storm in a teacup over a small typo in the report. In each of these examples, the idiom is used to highlight an overreaction to a minor issue. There are several other idioms in English that convey a similar meaning. For example, making a mountain out of a molehill, much ado about nothing, making a big deal out of nothing. Each of these idioms expresses the idea of exaggerating the importance or impact of a small or insignificant issue. In conclusion, storm in a teacup is a vivid and useful idiom in the English language, perfect for describing situations where there's unnecessary drama over minor issues. Remember, idioms add color and depth to our conversations and can make learning English more enjoyable. We hope this video helps you understand and use this idiom better in your daily life. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.